sky and candy clouds.
Okay, divas, so this video is just gonna be very quick. I just wanted to let you guys know because I do have some of you fabulous divas out there who have a similar hairline to me, and anytime I make a change to my hair, I try to update you guys and let you guys know. But today I will be shaving off my edges, and I'm doing it for me. I just want to see if I like how that looks better, because it does meet my eyebrows and it does make it kind of difficult to do my makeup sometimes, as well as apply my wigs. So that is why I decided to shave my edges off. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to all you fabulous divas who support me and who don't make fun of my hairline or anything. But I just felt like this is something that I wanted to do, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because it is a hair update. So yeah, but anyways, so yeah, I'm just shaving off my edges, and then at the end I will share with you guys what my first wig application looks like after shaving my edges off. And I was pretty happy with it. I thought that it was really nice just to have that little bit of space. So as you guys can see, I didn't shave off a lot. It does seem like a lot for my hairline, but I just basically pushed my hairline back. So I'm just kind of like giving myself a new hairline. If that makes any sense. I know it'll grow back, so that's why I'm not too worried about it. So if I don't feel comfortable, if I don't like it, then when it grows back, I just won't shave it again. But so far, I am enjoying it and glad I'm able to do my eyebrows without having to worry about touching my hairline or it looking too crazy, and also being able to apply my wig as a full lace, or all across. But anyways, thank you fabulous divas so much for your support. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye divas.